Hello, Sunday. Now you're probably wondering, hey, where were you yesterday, Saturday? Look, I was tired yesterday. I laid in bed. I was working on my book. I got up. I was working on my book. I had some coffee. Then I was working on my book. Then I worked on my book a little bit more and a little bit more. And then I was done for the day. On Monday, we are locking the book, okay? Locking the manuscript. I'm done. That's it. I'm in month 7 right now. So this is it, guys. I'm almost done. So I'm on my way to the office. I got a busy one today. Work on the book a little bit more, right? I got to get every little bit in. Like, got to make sure it's perfect before we go to get this thing ready for print. I got Angela coming in at the airport, so we're gonna go pick her up. The Dish with Dallas, they're filming an episode today. Hoping to get a little behind the scenes of that. So that's gonna be exciting. And then grab some lunch with Angela. We got a lot to go over for Detroit. Like, Detroit's not done. Like, you saw the videos of me there. It's looking good, but it's not done. It's gotta be done. Of course, we're waiting on the city, but there's still other stuff we can do. We can technically get everything ready except for open the doors because we're still waiting on the final stuff from the city. But we're able to open everything. Able to get everything ready, not open. Charlotte, we're open. Like, we're ready to open that thing, and we just have to go finish everything. So you'll see later this week, I'll be back in Charlotte, then I'm gonna be back in Detroit. It's just nonstop, trying to be as careful as I can, trying to keep my distance, because it's a little tough doing this travel stuff and keeping away. But luckily, we haven't had any issues, myself or the team. Everyone gets tested every week, so, you know, COVID's no joke. The vaccine comes out tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. But let's see what today brings. Just a little reminder, it's Sunday. While the competition is at home, playing twiddlywinks, guess what the private label team is doing? Hey, the setup right here, getting set up for another episode of The Dish with Dallas.
Hey.
We have the new Dish with Dallas logo that looks phenomenal. Let's see if we can put that logo right here. Yes, that's the Dish with Dallas. It's our new series coming soon. I call it the Wendy Williams of hair, Mr. Dallas. So it should be fun, it should be interesting. Dallas got some big time guests over here too. Dallas isn't playing with these guests, so you guys are gonna be pretty excited to see that, I hope. And you hear them laughing. Yeah, they're like, yeah, we do. So yeah, that's what Sundays for playing a private label. We're going hard every day. Gotta finish 2020 strong. It's been a rough year for everybody, so we gotta finish it strong. That's it. I am here in Charlotte, North Carolina. You guys maybe have seen some of the previous videos of the space in Charlotte, but now look at this. Ooh, looking good. We're getting there. And of course, there's Dawi with a really nice camera shooting for Weave Dealer. I got the double mic. I got this mic for this camera, and I got that mic for the other camera. We're looking pretty good here. I thought that December 28th, but that's a Monday, but the store is actually gonna only be open Tuesday through Saturday to start. I'm thinking December 29th we can open. I don't even know, like the city of Charlotte, they say you don't need a business license. It's crazy to me. Sales tax stuff set up. You know, you got to get in touch with the city, but with COVID right now, nobody wants to work. I mean, even from home. So I don't get it. Like, I understand maybe not going to the office, but no one's calling us back, nothing else. We're as legit as you can get with everything because I don't play any games with that, especially with the city. But we got a few hours of work to do here before heading back to Atlanta. We got here a couple days ago. We've just been putting in mad work. We didn't have lunch yesterday till I think maybe like 7 o'clock p.m. So we had breakfast at 7 a.m. You can think about what kind of day that was. We did get some awesome pieces on sale at West Elm. Let me show you. So we got this and that one, the matching, and then that middle piece. Those were 40% off. We found a West Elm that was closing down, and we got 2 of these. So we think these will be nice display for the new private label cosmetics. Trying to get some good shots here. Place is looking good. I like this counter. You can get some really nice counters at modernofficefurniture.com. Interesting I just said that because I need to order, we finally decided on the Detroit counter and I need to order that like right now. Back at Atlanta Airport, we are in the Delta Sky Lounge enjoying some unsweet tea, and I had a couple eggs, some chia seeds, some yogurt, and getting ready to board this flight headed to Detroit. Look, nonstop. Yesterday was in Charlotte, last couple days, got back, and now it's Saturday morning, headed to Detroit. I couldn't even film much this whole week. I was just so busy, so I'm just trying to keep up. Christmas Day, I'll be working. It is what it is. Let's go catch this flight. All right, guys, I'm back, officially back. I know. I've been gone for a little bit. It's just been too hectic. Opening up these 3 stores has been absolutely crazy. But today I'm headed to Detroit. Next week on Tuesday, the 19th of January, we are opening up Private Label Detroit right on 8 Mile Road. So I'm gonna give you a little bit behind the scenes over the next week of everything else to set up the front of the house. So the back of the house is set up very nice. The front of the house, the retail area, we still got a lot of work to do. So I have some help coming. It's gonna be a great time, and I can't wait to show you what it takes. I'm here at the Delta Sky Club, a terminal, enjoying a nice iced tea. I love hanging out at the Sky Club, getting a little bit of work done before heading up to the plane. It's just much more relaxing. And look, I got work to do. We got some HD wigs I got to launch. Got about 300, 180 density. So if you're into wigs, that should excite you right now, because HD wigs are just hard to get. But I'm pretty pumped up about Detroit and opening up. And of course, my partner Angela, she's super excited, and we're gonna absolutely blow this up. Stylists are gonna be so happy we're in town. Oh, do I have some work to do. I am here in Detroit. Luckily, I got to ship a bunch of stuff over to my friend's place. Let me show you. So we got all these things, so different shelves and tables and additional stuff. We have the front display. We got to build all of this just to give you a good look at what we're working with here. This is it, how I walked in. And by tomorrow, all this furniture should be built. All right, guys, I've made a ton of progress here. I can't wait to show you this. Let's just do it right now. Now look, it's not done. I still got a long way to go. So let me start from over here in the corner. I still got a long way to go, but it's getting late and I'm starving. I flew in here hours ago, so let's take a look. All right, so this is actually gonna be in the middle for the display, but right now I have it as kind of my workbench area, because working off this floor, first of all, let's not mess up the floor. Second of all, my back's killing me. I got all 4 of those built. Look how nice. So we're gonna have 2 over here and 2 over here, but currently there's all this other stuff. So this, it doesn't look great yet because it's just single by itself. So we have 2 of those. So those are gonna be side by side. And then as you can see, we have this round one here. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna have one round one going over here and one round one going over there. And all that is gonna happen tomorrow. All right, it is Thursday, T-minus 5 days. We're counting down 5 days till Private Label Detroit opens, and I got a lot of work to do here, guys. Let's take a look, same as last night. The main thing for now is building this. We have some cabinets coming, probably gonna paint that wall black. Have some white cabinets, that's gonna actually come out. All this stuff's gotta move. Yeah, so let me get to it, and I'm gonna give you some periodical updates. But I have Danielle, the manager, coming, and it should end up looking pretty amazing here. What do you think? All right, guys, we had a little false alarm. After talking to the company, they said, oh, they checked it off that it was delivered too early. Obviously, because it's not here. So I keep getting messages that they're gonna be here in like 20 minutes. It's almost noon now. I thought they were gonna be here like right around 10. It is what it is. I got another desk to pick up, put that together. This showroom is actually, as you can probably tell, it's really large. So it's a lot, I mean, a lot to fill out. And until I get my super mirror, you know, that'll help fill out that. But I mean, look at all this space, and you don't want it to look empty in here. Now, obviously, I don't have the display for the hair, so I'm envisioning that, which we'll have set up next week, and I'll give you guys a little look-see at that. But still, it's a lot to fill in here. And when I say a lot to fill in, I'm talking about a lot of money to fill it in. Got my little workstation here currently, trying to send out some newsletters, drum up some business. 4 days until launch. The showroom is looking beautiful. I had ordered a beautiful cabinet to be put right here, and it says, happy to inform you, your order has been delivered. Now, I don't know about you, but it doesn't look like anything has been delivered. I gave them a call and they said, yes, we have a photo of it inside with a green carpet. I was like, nope, doesn't look like green carpet in here. You guys better call that driver, go get whoever signed for it. They talked to someone, signed for it. Oh yeah, that's mine. Delivered. It's a big cabinet with a drawer, so I can put some hair in here, so we can have it right here. It's Friday. We open Tuesday. This needs to be built. I need to paint the wall. I need to do this. We got no time for this. That's what happens when you open stores. Things go wrong.